Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload blog, and iOS 12 is officially out for the masses. We've covered it extensively on the channel, and I invite you to check out some of the other videos we've made about iOS 12 linked in the description, but let's look at the key features in this video. Starting off, we have 4 new Emojis, and the ability to create a super custom Memoji, which is essentially a Bitmoji, and will have all the customization options you're looking for to make the most realistic or most non-realistic abstract animated character that can be used with Apple's impressive face tracking technology. Additionally, there is a new camera feature in the Messages application that allows you to send more creative images straight from Messages, including the Emojis and Bitmojis in both photo and video form. Screen time now lets you monitor how much time you spent on your phone, including time spent in individual applications, notifications received, and times picking up the phone. These combined with options to limit access to your phone, set restrictions, and choose specific time periods that you are allowed to use certain apps. All of this syncs over iCloud and can be used by parents as an administrative technique. This is a feature to monitor usage. Do Not Disturb settings have been revamped with new options both in the Settings application and in Control Center, and notification grouping now exists for cleaner notification management. AR technology has seen great improvement, and one area is the new Measure application that lets you accurately measure the dimensions of objects in front of the camera, and there are many other applications that take advantage of this AR technology. Photos has a new For You tab with image suggestions and smarter search options, including multiple keyword search and raw editing support. Siri is smarter, and the Shortcuts application lets you set customized shortcuts to Siri, so you can have her do multiple custom steps with a single command. For instance, if you're going to say car, you could have it do a series of commands that you want to do every time you get in the car. Siri can also turn on the flashlight, find passwords, find your iOS devices, and more in iOS 12. There's a newly designed Stocks application if you're into that, improved battery monitoring capabilities inside of the Settings application. FaceTime sees some cool features such as using Emojis over your face in FaceTime mode, as well as improved performance on older devices, which is going to be big for users of the iPhone 5S and newer phones. You can check out our specific videos covering lots more features, or you can read more on iDownloadblog.com. What is your favorite feature? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.